Welcome back everybody. There is lot going on cryptocurrency in today's video. I am going to update you on daily basis, news opinion, prospective interviews that we do here. Let's jump into the Bitcoin on exchanges. Continues to be bought and move off on the exchange. The total amount of the Bitcoin on exchange just keep falling, probably something. This is a long term bullish indicator. In short term, Bitcoin is showing strong correlation to the Nasdaq and low correction to the gold. So there is some uncertainty, but with uncertainty comes opportunity. If you believe in the space, let's take a look on the some projects. Being built some interrogations over favorite coins. There's so much going in the space. Let me clue you in the Coinbase Ethereum, NFT marketplace, and soon to be multi-chain launches. In beta, the long-awaited Coinbase NFT platform announced 6 months ago is finally live with an initial 0% marketplace fee and social media like elements. This is the official announcement of the Coinbase underscore NFT attention. Our beta is officially live. This is a slow rollout, so there are over 4 million people sign in to try this out. The top people on the wait list have accessed to it, and over the next week and months they are going to do a slow rollout. Today we kick things off with a full experience. For some of our waitlist friends, we ramp up everyone so can explore the vast collections of NFTs. On the first version of Coinbase NFTs, this is such a big deal and such a big step forward. NFT, of course. They are competing with OpenSea, and eventually Facebook will launch their own marketplace. And all these different marketplace competes. It bring in more users and it will better for us users. Users of this platform overall, this make me bullish on the NFT space along with plenty of other things. For instance, this Dead Fella Ethereum NFT collection lands exclusive deal with big talent agency in the Hollywood. So the Dead Fella joins the CryptoPunks with autographically on UTA. Growing roster of a digital talent. So it's amazing to see all big Hollywood agencies starting to represent big NFT collections. Possible movie, television, interrogation games. Time will tell. Glad to be in NFT NBA announce. Dynamic Ethereum NFTs for playoffs. So I think this is going to be a really big deal. Especially when NBA top shot last year doing so well on 18,000. NBA NFTs have traits that will change based on athlete performance. These NFT have utility NFTs and sports such as natural fit. Sports fans are passionate, such big collectible actively. Participate in every game with fantasies, basketball or what have you. So these game being dynamic NFTs for each player in the 2022. NBA playoff seems like this might generate you to know usership. This is what the main site look like. They just had their allow list mint in less than 20 hours. They will have their public mint. Really cool. Wanted to show what is look like. Speaking of Ethereum, let's talk about Ethereum scaling and go over with the most of the three popular Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. First one is Optimism, currently without a token, but many people are suspecting they are about to drop a token to its user base. Is Optimism about to drop a token on Ethereum? The Optimism team has laid out plans for new chapter in network progression. The 12th solution has confirmed to move towards community ownership and government, hinting that it may soon issue a token. Coinbase has also created a page and leading to the future speculation. I think this will happen eventually in the same way as Uniswap did it, as where it launched. Its token people are already using before. More in the future, you can hold your keys and their fees are low and highly competitive. You can hold and trade cryptocurrency. with no capital gains tax if you think that your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto assets are going to be a worthy of lot of money in the long term. But why? Why not put a portion of your stack so that when you are ready to cash it out, you will not have to pay any capital gain tax for the future. In my opinion, choice is the best retirement arrive on the market today. Layer 2 gaining. Big adoption from the blue chip protocol. Ethereum makes dough to launch to stack net currently without a token promises 10 into lower gas costs. The DeFi blue chip maker project DAO is adding an integration with Starknet to cut the transaction cost and speed of withdrawal times. And last but not the least, 12 Matic Ethereum top scaling solution Matic is eyeing a breakout for many reasons. One will have been accumulating Matic, which could help the token stage a bullish breakout. Fundamental aspects of cryptocurrency continue to be bullish. That's why I continue to be the long-term bull on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and quality projects. Australia First Bitcoin ETF could attract $1 million. After launch next week, Australian investors will be able to trade their first Bitcoin spot ETF starting next week when Cosmos Asset Management Bitcoin ETF launches on AXS Clear. Canada has a Bitcoin ETF and Ethereum spot ETF. Australia has a Bitcoin spot ETF. Eventually, the US will get this and it will be a big deal. Crypto gaming is yet to go a mainstream, but the pump is being present. Investor pound actually $2.5 billion into crypto games in Q1 of 2022. A report shows hype of crypto gaming goes hard in hand with metaverse. Speculation a day Radar reports now suggest 2022 will see a more growth of the niche, and I am bullish of a cryptocurrency gaming. Finance continues to be the most popular exchange in the world. Coinbase most popular exchange in America. Crypto.com also up their ApeCoin a precedent settings coin for the popular board. Ape Yacht Club is actually doing well. ApeCoin hits 1 month high amid Yucca land metaverse sale rumors. So right now it's just a pumping based hype, but it's a blue chip collection. So time will tell. Obviously, the space goes in ebbs and flows. We will continue to keep you updated, and please make sure to subscribe our channel. That's all I got. Thank you.